Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to download and install OneDrive on computer. So how to download and install OneDrive on computers? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the browser application on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display of the browser. Go straight to the search. Type OneDrive download. Well, here it will appear like this. Here are many choices. Tap this one. And options like this will appear. And then tap the download button here. And here tap OK. Well, here it will process the download. After the download is complete, it will appear like this. Tap Open. Well, here it will process to install OneDrive to your computer. Wait until the install process is complete. After it is complete, it will appear like this. This is the appearance of OneDrive after you install it. Here you can enter an account, or if you don't have one, you can create one. So that's it, tutorial how to download and install OneDrive on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.